As its Balisong of the week is over, and it goes right here. So what are we gonna go over this week? We've got Hayes Tech. No. We've got FLS. PAIM. Already covered some of PAIM stuff. We've got. No, none of that. None of that. Oh, I gotta ask. Do you guys ever want me to cover any of the old stuff? Just wondering. Let's come over here. Got. No, I think this one's gonna be a little different this week. I'm not gonna do the Deweys just yet because I got a surprise for that one. No BRS just yet. And I think, yep, I'm going to do the Jimpy Sentinel and Sentinel. I'm going to do them both because I want to compare them because I like them both. So that is going to be the Balisong of the week this week, is both the Sentinel and the Sentinel by Jimpy. Well, it's a good Balisong.